The power of a good night's sleep, guys. The difference it makes to so many different things. So like I had 8 hours and 38 minutes sleep. I went upstairs at 10 o'clock and I managed to go to sleep at 5 to 11, which is not that bad. I still haven't got a fan in my room. I'm just listening on my headphones at the moment to white noise, but I did buy a white noise thing to put in the bedroom. I'll show you it actually. So here it is here. It's just a little thing like that. I'll plug it in my charger. Right, look. Let's turn it down. So that's one of them. Let's go through a few of the settings. It's like waves. That's the ocean as well. Birds singing. Like a fire. The noise of a fire, like crackling. A train. Music. Rain, which is what I listen to with my headphones anyway. There you go. So I think I'm probably going to plug that in the bedroom tonight. I keep on forgetting. I just keep on forgetting. The one that I think I'll probably put on probably is going to be the ocean or the rain, I reckon. But yeah, I think it's good. It was only £19 from Amazon, so not expensive. And we'll see what it's like. But they're the type of noise I listen to on my headphones when I go to bed. But the headphones, what's happening is, it's like pressing against, you know, my ear, which is not great. So, yeah. A good night's sleep's really important. I'm getting there with the sleep. And I do take my CBD before I go to bed, so that really helps me go to sleep. But because my brain's got used to the noise of a fan, it's working through that as well. If I don't listen to any white noise, I feel like it's sort of like really weird. It's like I feel like I'm suffocating. It's just the weirdest thing. It's probably coming from the subconscious brain, and probably because of the trauma I've had that's caused the PTSD that I do have, that I sort of need that in the ADHD. I need that noise type of thing. But I've spoke to quite a few people recently that have said they need white noise when they go to sleep. So it's really, really common. But anyway, there's an update on my sleep. So yeah. It's coming on good.